AlphaPepe, or ALPE, is a cutting-edge meme coin built on the Ethereum blockchain. The project aims to create a decentralized meme platform where users can create, share, and monetize their content. ALPE is the native token of this platform, and it's used for all transactions within the ecosystem. It's not just a simple meme coin, it represents a vibrant community of creators, traders, and meme enthusiasts. AlphaPepe offers several unique features. First, it's a community-driven platform, meaning users have a say in its development. Second, it employs a deflationary token model, reducing the total supply of ALPE over time to potentially increase its value. Third, it offers a meme marketplace where users can trade digital assets. Lastly, it's based on Ethereum, providing the benefits of a strong, secure, and established blockchain. As a decentralized meme coin, the price of ALPE fluctuates based on market dynamics. It's influenced by factors like supply and demand, overall market sentiment, and the coin's utility within the AlphaPepe ecosystem. To get the current price, you can check several cryptocurrency exchange platforms where ALPE is listed. Remember, investing in any cryptocurrency, including ALPE, involves risk, so it's crucial to do thorough research. AlphaPepe is perfect for those who love memes and want to participate in a meme-focused community. It's also ideal for digital artists looking for a platform to monetize their meme creations. Traders can speculate on the price of Alpia, potentially profiting from its volatility. Lastly, blockchain enthusiasts who believe in the power of community-driven projects may find AlphaPepe worth their attention. AlphaPep's main advantage is its community-centric approach. It empowers users, allowing them to shape the platform's future. Its deflationary model can potentially lead to increased value over time. The meme marketplace offers an avenue for creators to earn, and it's based on Ethereum, lending it credibility and robust security. Finally, it's more than just a meme coin. It's a symbol of a vibrant, fun-loving community. Despite its features, AlphaPepe has some limitations. As a meme coin, it faces skepticism and volatility associated with this category of cryptocurrencies. Its success depends heavily on community engagement, which can be unpredictable. Also, being based on Ethereum, it may face scalability issues and high transaction fees during peak times. Lastly, its deflationary model, while potentially beneficial, may also lead to price instability. AlphaPep is a community-centric meme coin with a deflationary model and a meme marketplace. It empowers users and provides a platform for creators to monetize their work. However, it faces challenges, including skepticism, dependence on community engagement, and potential Ethereum-related issues. Like any investment, it carries risk, so thorough research is essential. In conclusion, AlphaPepe is an exciting project combining memes, community, and blockchain. Its future looks promising, but it's not without challenges. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching.